What is up guys, bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine and spirits videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical French pronunciation the name of this famous cognac house and cognac brand from France. Of course in English or American you would be tempted, it would sound pretty natural to say Delamain Cognac, right? Cognac, Delamain. Well, if you want to say it the way the founder of the house was named, because he was French and the way he would say it, and the way the people working at the distillery, the people that represent the brand would say it, it would be with the typical French pronunciation, Delamain. Delamain Cognac. Delamain Cognac. Delamain Cognac. Yes, not Delamain. If you want to learn more about how cognac is made, here is a distillery tour of the famous Hennessy Cognac House, and here is a video, another video on how to serve cognac on ice, no ice, etc, etc. I'll leave you to watch those videos if you feel like it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine and spirits from around the world. Au revoir.